Hello everyone. So far we had seen charging stations, what are the different classifications of charging stations, what are the guidelines and standards. Now let us go into the depth of charging station safety provisions. So for that, this is the first part. Let us see in detail. Basically, you have to understand some terms, that is electric vehicle, EVAC and socket outlet. Public charging station requires protection in case overload of input supply as well as output supply fittings. So that is with current as well as voltage protection. Okay, and there is a distance criteria. The socket outlet, which is from the ground level, that means the distance from socket outlet to the finished ground level must be at least 800 mm, right? And the distance between the charging point to the EV while EV is under charging, it must be within 5 meter. The distance between the vehicle and the charging point must be below 5 meter, because by increasing the distance, it is going to differ some technical parameters like conductive resistance, the voltage drop at the receiving end, etc., etc. Well, the lightning protection also should be there with public charging stations as per 62305 code. And the protective device in case of reverse power flow from the vehicle should be there. So that means there should be a control over the reverse power flow. And of course, when we disconnect, after charging, so within 1 second, there are some specific voltage limits and energy limits to be followed, and this is very high danger stage. The voltage between accessible conductive parts, maybe two conductive parts and conductive parts to the earthing, must be less than 42.4 volt peak and 30 voltage RMS, or either 60 volt DC, and stored energy in the conductive parts must be less than 20 joule. Okay, while a disconnection is there, so for disconnection safety, a vehicle connector used for DC charging shall be locked on a vehicle inlet if the voltage is higher than 60 volt DC. Secondly, the vehicle connector shall not be unlocked or shall be locked when hazardous voltage is detected through charging process, including after the end of charging and in case of malfunctioning of either side, that means from the vehicle side as well as from the charging point. Well, it includes, so for supply also, the supply of electricity to prevent overvoltage at the battery. If the output voltage exceeds maximum voltage limit set by the vehicle, every charging point will have particularly maximum voltage limit. Let us say, for example, in case of 48 volt, it won't exceed 52.5 volt. So there are some standard voltage output ratings for the battery side is given. Well, there is a denial of using extension cord, adapter, as well as portable socket outlet. Okay, so this is not at all to be used while we are charging the electric vehicle from public charging stations or any kind of charging stations. Fine, and there is for safety, basically the EV charging point shall not energize the charging cable. So there should not be any electrostatic charge on the cable when the vehicle connector is unlocked. Okay, and if it is going to happen, then there should be earthing first. Okay, and the voltage at which the vehicle connector unlocks shall be less than 60 volt DC. Right, we know DC is very dangerous. So this is one part of the safety provisions for charging stations. Another two parts are there which are going to come, and you can drop your questions regarding the safety provisions. In case of any suggestions and comments, you can write to me. Thank you.